Are you interested in making money with sponsored posts? Today, I'm going to show you how to do it. Hi y'all, Jasmine here, and I love sponsored blog posts. Learning how to make money with sponsored posts is a simple process. I'm going to show you that process today. One question that I get from people often is, what amount of money will you make with sponsored posts? Me personally, in my best month, I made over $7,000 in sponsored post opportunities. Writing sponsored content is an excellent way to get a bunch of free stuff, get paid, and offer value to your readers. Problem is, many people don't know how to get started, what to charge for sponsored content, or how to keep those opportunities strategically coming in. I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with content in general on your blog. Let's get started. The first step is signing up for influencer networks. An influencer network is a marketplace where you sign up to partner with companies who are looking to tap into the power you have in your audience. At first, you may worry about joining an influencer network for sponsored posts because you may think it will dilute your posts or overwhelm your audience. That couldn't be further from the truth. Writing paid posts is a part of running a successful blog, and readers love to know where you purchase certain products and services, and it's good for growth and success of your blog in general. I'm telling you, readers will love your recommendations and your product reviews. They follow you because they trust and like your style. Companies realize that you have this power with your audience, and they understand that your sponsored content is excellent advertising for them. Signing up for influencer networks is the best way to begin. The more networks you are a part of, the more opportunities you'll see, and the easier it will be for you to find a match. You can sign up for my list of free influencer networks below. That leads us to our next step, completing your profiles on those influencer networks. Once you find several networks that you want to join, it's time to fill out the online profiles. These online profiles consist of background questions like, who are you? How many followers do you have? And information about your blog and your audience. The most important rule is always complete your profile 100%. Some channels won't let you move ahead until you fill in every question on the profile form. Others will only offer sponsored opportunities based on what you fill out. And if you leave questions blank, they won't send anything. One network I work with is IZEA. They offer more influencer opportunities based on the information you share. The more details you provide, the more opportunities to make money with sponsored posts you'll see. One additional benefit to completing the profiles are the potential search engine traffic that you can get from being on these networks. This is another way for people to find your blog, so why not make it easy to find? The next step is creating a media kit. Creating a media kit will help your application stand out. Think of it as a resume or an advertising page for your blog. Your media kit gives you a way to sum up your expertise, audience, and traffic in an easily digestible format. All stats should be right in there in the kit, along with your name, the URL of your blog, relevant social media sites, and any other essential details that you want the brand to know. Use eye-catching designs and graphics in your media kit. Your kit should showcase your professionalism, especially if you're a pro blogger, and should make advertisers want to partner with you. Are you stumped on what to create? Check out Canva, where they feature many beautiful media kit templates to help you begin the process. You can create a media kit using the templates on Canva, or use the inspiration from Canva to create your own professional media kit. Check out the link in the description on how to create your free account with Canva so you can start building your media kit ASAP. The next step is about understanding your audience. When you start to write a post, whether it's on beauty, personal finance, decorating, or something else, the number one priority should be to know and connect to your audience. You should always have exactly who you're writing to in mind. Get to know the types of readers that you have, their habits, their problems, and how to solve those problems. Write the post to speak to them. On the technical side, it's also essential to get to know your blog and website stats such as page views, unique views, and social media followers. These crucial bits of info will help you paint an accurate picture of your readership. I recently had a great question related to this topic from a reader on my blog. Here's the question. How are you able to land sponsored work as a brand new blogger? Every affiliate and sponsored blog post opportunity I come across requires X number of followers. Followers I don't have yet, but the problem is I need to monetize immediately. What did you do to start earning money in your very first month? I think this is an excellent question. So there are two parts to this question that I want to make sure that I answer. The first is, how did I make money in the beginning? The second is, how did I get my first sponsored post gig? Let's start with the first question. How did I make money when I was just starting out? The truth is, I didn't. I mean, I did, but not really enough to even really call it income. I was running ads with Google AdSense from day one though. Although the income is small to start out, it's still something. As your audience grows, so will your income and your opportunity to apply for higher paid ad networks. As for the second question, I landed my first gig by knowing my audience. Sure, it was a small audience, less than 2,000 visitors a month, but I still managed to land my first gig. I did an in-depth analysis of my audience on Google Analytics, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Depending on the channel, you will learn their genders, ages, and even what they like to do. Once I learned this, I applied to every gig where the target audience matched up with my data, even if I didn't have the amount of followers that they asked for. And I got my first gig with hardly any followers. And I've been selected for many campaigns in the past, even if I had less followers than they were looking for, because I knew my audience and I know how to talk to them. The next tip is that you want to give complete responses on each sponsored post application. Once you've found an opportunity that looks promising, it's time to fill out the post application. Like filling out your profile, it's vital to remember you never leave part of the application blank, even if the answer is optional. Offer a thoughtful and thorough response, and don't rush. Take your time and carefully read the questions so that you can have a clear, well-written, in-depth answer to each question. Only apply for the best opportunities. I know this tip is a little like, duh, but it's not so obvious to many bloggers. Bloggers and influencers get so excited to see the opportunities that come up that they apply for everything. I know this because I am guilty of this too. Writing irrelevant articles wastes your time, your audience's time, and can even hurt your brand. Remember, your audience is depending on you to share your honest details and advice. They want to hear about the brands you genuinely like and care about. Otherwise, you risk becoming another spammer. It's also important not to sell yourself short. Don't bother applying for campaigns offering less than $200 per post or less than $50 for a social media post. Are you wondering what amount of money you should charge? Use a tool like my sponsored post pricing calculator. It's included in my sponsored post pricing toolkit, and it shows you exactly how much you should charge based on your blog stats. You can click the link below to learn more about that. Bonus tip: to make money with sponsored posts, remember it's essential to spend more time applying than you are sifting through opportunities. Don't get too bogged down trying to find the perfect fit opportunity. And I know that's easier said than done, especially if you're following the advice I just gave you about making sure you only apply to opportunities that are relevant to your audience. The best way to use your time wisely when applying to sponsored post opportunities is to use my Blogging Money Update subscription service. What is Blogging Money Update, you ask? It's a fabulous newsletter to get the best paying opportunities ranging from $65 to $5,000 right in your inbox. There's no need to log into 100 plus influencer networks every day to find one paid post that works for you. Instead, simply open this email 3 times a week and get ready to make money. In each email, you'll receive anywhere from 10 to 15 sponsored opportunities. So if you're ready to say goodbye to logging into hundreds of influencer networks daily, sign up for Blogging Money Update. The beauty of being an influencer is that you've built up a core following of people who know you, love your advice, and trust your recommendations. If you're ready to learn how to make money with sponsored posts, follow these steps and you'll be earning money with your blog in no time. I'll see you next time.